Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out the Nooie Cam Pro. This is a 2K security camera with spotlight. It works with Google and Alexa. Let's go ahead and show you guys what you get inside the box. Well, we could go over a couple features for you guys real quick. So 2K Full HD, motion detection, color night, integrated spotlight, rechargeable battery, two-way audio and live view, 2.4 and 5G connection for Wi-Fi. So it works with both IP65 waterproof, power plug, or solar panel option. Let's get started. Alright guys, so this is everything you get in the package. You get your camera. It's basically a square little box like this with the camera lens and the light on the front. On the back you have your power port and also mounting bracket. So you just peel this off and that's where you're going to power this. It does not come with the solar panel. I do want to point that out. It only comes with a USB power cable, but you guys can. It is a micro port, so you guys could buy a solar panel that has a micro port and then plug that port in here, and then you can operate this with solar. But if not, it does take USB for power. However, you guys can power this with a solar power bank. So like this one right here, all we have to do is plug it in to here and plug it in to the camera, and now we can leave this out in the sun and it will solar power this. So many options for you guys to do. You got Wi-Fi, but you also have an Ethernet cable that they provide you with this. So this is your little hub base. You plug this into your wall, and they give you the mounting brackets, everything that you need to set it up, the screws, everything. I highly recommend you guys check out your manual, check out the listing. But for this whole setup, it looks very simple, very easy. Doesn't look hard. It's not like you have to do major installation. So let's continue and show you guys the footage quality. By the way, your SD card goes in here, your Ethernet cable connects in here. You can also download their app. Once you plug it in, you're going to have a little orange light. So if you want to use their app, go ahead, download their app, follow the manual, follow the instructions. I know you guys like to just see the footage. You like to see the quality of the camera because that's what's really important. Setup is, important, but not as important as the quality. But this is everything that it comes with it. So let's show you guys what the quality looks like.